much rain. Oh my god, you can hear. Look how much rain there is. It's almost flooding. Oh my god. I thought it was just a normal rain. Now look, all the trees right there. Oh my god, we were about to film and take photos right there we usually do. Now there is so much rain. You can't even hear me. I have to shout, literally shout. Oh my god. Look. It's fogging up. Oh my. So yeah, I'm here with my dad in the car. We were going to Star Market to get our stuff right there. And now we were about to go and film a video and try to make some songs and dance. And now there's so much rain. Heavy rain. I thought last time I filmed this was a heavy rain. But this is a heavy rain. Literally. God, look. What? Oh my god. We should have stayed at home. Why did we came? Oh my god. What a no. Oh my god, it's really fogging up a lot. Like a lot. Whoa. Hopefully you can hear this. It's really loud. This is literally the heaviest rain I've been. Oh my god. I've never went outside with this much heavy rain. I always stayed home when there's flood or something in Navi Mumbai. But it just came instantly. There were so many thunders like oh my god. I can't believe this. Oh my god. So it was a fun reaction out of me because I'm freaking out right now. Because oh my god, we are almost home, so bye. We are going to go other home, stay and tell our mom that what happened. Oh my god, so bye.